devastating me! Right, let's go back outside that shop.
You've got to get, lightning. Oh, there was lights going off. Right.
Oh. That's as I can see.
Oh, that's hail.
Yep. Wow. Oh.
Shit, so there's a car hammering down.
Yeah.
Way too.
I know.
Jeez. What?
Hail. Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully not breaking window hail. Oh, makes no difference, got to go. People are up there.
He's going to turn, yeah. I thought he was. Correct.
Can't help it.
Yeah, but he didn't indicate, did he?
Oh,
look at they went in an open top bus, a side bus, and they got really wet. Oh my god.
Woohoo! Oh yeah.
Glorious, they better have something nice down there. I should have gone to the restaurant tonight. Oh wow!
Wow, wow, wow. Might do, yeah. There's our room up there.
Yeah.
It could be right.
Yep.
Not really, no, it's not.
Not really. Okay, well, park as near as possible, though.
Yeah.
There's 2 cars coming out. That'll be perfect for you to come out. That's the door. Oh dear. Okay. But we'll have to lock the door from over there. I'll get out at my own speed. Okay,
See you in a moment.
Okay, hold on, this car's going.